Welcome, friends! Wanna hunt for the best deals together? Subscribe to join me and check links below. Most think a corded hand blender is a clunky kitchen gadget, yet the KitchenAid variable speed corded hand blender proves it can be the nimble tool on the counter. Field data shows the detachable 8-inch blending arm, armed with a 4-point stainless steel blade, pulverizes frozen berries into silky smoothies in seconds, while the variable speed trigger lets a home chef glide from a gentle stir to a turbo whirl without pause. Another pattern emerges from the kitchen lab. The 3-cup BPA-free jar doubles as a serving vessel, slipping onto the lid for on-the-go protein shakes, and the patented pan guard shields pans from splatter, sparing cookware from scratches. Even the toughest puree-making tasks, like silky hummus, melt away, confirming this unit's rare pedigree. Verdict: ideal for home cooks who demand blending without sacrificing speed or cleanup.